It's a hectic time of year as we gear up for the holidays, so we thought it would be good to revisit a place where the pace is just a little slower.
But even at the Abbey of Gethsemane in Nelson County, there's more activity right now. That's where monks contribute to the holiday spirit of the bluegrass. Every day, 7 times a day, 44 Trappist monks go to this chapel to pray. It's a practice that's been unbroken since 1848.
I think it's just part of the total energy of the church that there be people really giving themselves wholeheartedly, body and soul and heart, to a life of prayer.
It's a peaceful, structured life, with the first prayers coming at 3 a.m.
To get up at 3 o'clock in the morning, everything is very quiet. You don't have any pressures to get some work done.
Yes, he mentioned work. The monks have to support themselves, and they found a sweet way to pay the bills, making fudge so good it's almost sinful.
Well, these products are our living. We sell these to make our living, pay our hospital bills or doctor bills and electric bills.
Every monk who is able spends time in the bakery or the shipping room. They turn out rich fudge in many flavors. Many of the recipes include a favorite local ingredient, Kentucky bourbon. And this time of year, fruitcakes are popular. They come out of the oven dozens at a time.
Poundage for fudge and for fruitcake is roughly 70,000 pounds each.
Their work is not just for income. The monks at the Abbey of Gethsemane see manual labor as a requirement for their lifestyle.
If we were sitting around all day praying, the prayer would tend to dry up. And so the value of work is just not only to give you a variation in activity, but it's very important to rest the mind by giving activity to the body.
This ancient place has some very modern touches. In fact, the fudge and fruitcake business wouldn't thrive if not for a first-class shipping operation. And internet sales have been a godsend. In recent years, the Abbey has added a gift shop. Even though much of the monastery is off limits, the monks welcome nearly 9,000 visitors a year, many who come on retreat for a taste of the peaceful life. The sweet products are a link to the outside world, maybe a way to let people know that the men who made these treats are praying for them every day inside the gates of Gethsemane.
We live close to God, and that's what we came here for, and hopefully that's what we're finding.
The fudge and fruitcake used to be primarily Christmas products, but now the monastery markets the treats year-round.
Thank you. At 10:33, I'm now hungry for fudge and fruitcake.
And I don't usually like fruitcake, but theirs is a special kind for sure.
All right, check it out.